Well guys, just another short video from Haulover Beach Inlet. I hope you liked it. This was a film on the week, so that's the action that I was able to capture, and I hope you liked it. So also I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you like the work that I do, then please subscribe, and always leave a comment below and a thumbs up in the video if you liked it. Also, if you can, ring the notification bell, then you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. I will be posting almost daily, so if you like yachts, boats and powerboats, then this is the channel to subscribe to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Take care.